All right, let's check out new subscriber sound suggestions. Let's see what you guys suggested for me to listen to. Has anyone, by the way, checked this out? Good. I hope they're safe. Let me see what you have. Pepe laugh. Don't Pepe laugh. They're not loading for me, chat.
No, I don't think so.
Wait, that's a good one. All right, hold on.
No, I don't think so. It's not grow up so much of job. This you have nivå. And I think we have problem just the invasion from other countries.
Invasion.
And these people have no education to take job so much here. So at I think they must went back to Europe again and give me job.
No, I don't think so. The fuck is... All right. Thank you, NHS is gone. Also for gifting us up to Smogren. Thank you so much, man. All right. Next. Oh, now it loaded. The fuck?
Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last.
Oh, the S's are kind of cutting into it.
Good.
Good. I like the first one the most. Terraria Terry, thank you for the 2 months Prime. Welcome back.
Good evening, Twitter. This is your boy, Eat That Pussy 445, and about like 30 to 45 minutes ago, I beat the fuck out of my dick so goddamn hard that I can't even feel my left leg. My left leg has went totally numb.
Well, which part am I supposed to grab? It's too long to do all of it.
And my dick has also went totally numb to the point to where it feels fucking weird when I go and take a piss.
A rare? What? I can't tell if this is a submission or if this guy just wanted to rickroll me. I have no idea. Aww. Do it? Should we actually get this? Yeah, hold on, I'll turn this down. Full commitments, what? I don't know how to make him rare. Actually, maybe I do. Fuck, I don't know.
Change your fucking sub sounds now.
Okay, I'm trying, Poke.
He said, "Whoa, better Twitch TV." What does that mean?
Kenny Beats.
It's like a third-party thing.
I don't know. What the hell is this hack? Okay, what is this one?
Wide Hardo.
I already have a clip. I already have a sub sound of Van saying Wide Hardo. I feel like that's better.
Nice.
Lit.
Hat and a monocle? That's where I draw the line. Come on, Master Chief. Let's get the fuck out of here.
What the hell? Oh yeah, that can be funny. I like this one. I'm gonna coom. Wait. Hey, Nim and chat, have you already done the art contest? Yes, sir, we have. Pornhub. Bam. Not that I know what that website is. Next.
Went to Africa a week ago. Week ago. Kill that lion, then I kill a goat. Kill a goat.
What?
Went to Africa a week ago. Week ago. Kill that lion, then I kill a goat. Kill a goat.
No, I don't know. It's an interesting clip.
Big I like them short and thick. Yeah. Yeah?
But what if that nourishment came...
It's cool, but even cooler...
Now comes the part where we throw our heads back and laugh. Ready?
Ready!
This is a pretty long sub alert, but I'll fuck it.
Now comes the part where we throw our heads back and laugh. Ready?
Ready!
Do I ruin it if I remove the ready part?
Ready?
Ready!
If we do this?
Now comes the part where we throw our heads back and laugh.
I feel like that works pretty well, right? Yeah? Am I actually maybe a genius, chat? Just to have it slightly, otherwise it's gonna be, it's a bit too long.
Now comes the part.
Okay, it works, okay. Ah ha 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 is what I'll name that one. 2-7.
It's gonna be a yikes for me, dog. That's gonna be a yikes from me.
What do you think about this one? Yay or nay? Yikes forever.
Holy.
Wait, Strelok Holmes, you were the one making fun of the timer of the marathon. Oh, I'm a Paula. Of the marathon last time as well, I remember. Nay, okay.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
This is something I'm going to test run just to see if people like it. We all love freedom of speech, but I want to start making content that's sort of just for fun as well. So I'm going to trial a new series.
What? Wait, around
Shut
3...
up! Shut up or me kill. Okay.
Okay. Over here, yeah? What is this?
Killing people. We saw him naked. You ever seen a warrior before? An African warrior. You ever seen him before? Alright, he's a warrior.
There's a lot of background sound, I'm not sure. Carmen Wati, thank you for the 2 months. Welcome back.
I goes to this trumpy man's house, right? Man don't even own a frying pan, had to fry this shit on a plate.
This one might be a good poke one.
Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you.
Dude, this makes my voice, this makes my throat hurt even more. What the hell? Wait, there's a new guy giggling at me. What is this? Did you change your name? Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's see what we're working with. Whoa. Nice cock. Thick, but not too flaccid. Perfect length. A nice 80-degree angle. Could trim the hairs a bit, but we'll work on it.
I mean,
I'd say that's a pretty good cock.
This part?
I'd say that's a pretty good...
The problem is that I'm already getting bored with this meme.
Yep. I'd say that's a pretty good cock.
Thanks for not streaming Valorant. No worries, dude.
Shut your fucking mouth! No problem, John. Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Didn't I use this as a sub sound? Fuck, I remember... I think I remember recording that. Where did that go?
Greetings, traveler. Well played. Greetings, traveler. Well played. Greetings, traveler.
I would love to have more Big Man Tyrone in, but maybe that... I don't know if that one makes any sense. 13 seconds in? What is it?
Wider. I think I should go narrow. What do you think? I'm gonna go narrow. She's a lady. You know? Narrow. No. See what I mean? Look at all these wide motherfuckers in the chat. Hell no.
Okay. Wait, this is kind of funny.
Oh. See what I mean? Look at all these wide motherfuckers in the chat. Hell no. That tells me exactly what not to do.
Dude, Aris is awesome. Alright, here we go. Wait, what? Why did nothing happen? Wide MF. Wide MFers. Nim, I think this is a really good suggestion. I'm just gonna leave this here from your FL Studio sessions. Little soy on the beat. Is this when I go oso popo yo yo yo? 1 2 1 2. Look at my short beard.
For all the zoomers out there.
Oso popo yo. You know what? That is kind of a funny one.
Out there.
Oso popo yo. Okay. Okay, that's a good sample. I choked, chat. Fuck, there's like sometimes there's like this tiny line that's fucking up the normalization. Is that what's happening here? Okay. Wait, what the? Cool. Also, I always said that I wanted the CV paste. So let me just record it. Maybe one of you guys submitted it, but
I get the whole meme thing, right? Like the whole memeing thing, but like to be the person sitting in chat and going, CV, paste. 5 seconds later, CV, paste. Oh, I got someone else copy.
Okay, that's all we need.
CV, paste. 5 seconds later, CV.
It's a bit long, I think.
5 seconds later,
I could potentially just do this.
CV, paste. CV, paste.
That works. I like that. Great.
CV, paste. CV, paste.
Hey, BTTV, when are you going to approve my CV paste emote? Come on. All right. Next.
Peppa!
Oh my god, we already have that as a tier 3 sound. Even that edited version, yeah. Okay, we have that one as well. Oh my god.
Alright, let's get warmed up.
You know what? Maybe that's a tier 3 sub sound, because that was pretty cancer.
Alright, let's get warmed up.
Alright. What the fudge? Doc Cancer is what I'll name it. Peppa! Was that all of them? Oh my god, that's enough. Holy shit, my ear. People are trying to relax.
TJ on the beat.
Kinda like this actually. Let me see. Okay, we do. No! What are you doing? The software can be a bit wonky at times. All right, got it. Dank jam. Bam. Next. 80 sound knock. Come on. We use this as a play sound, don't we? You got you.
Fucking clip it and ship it because there's fucking my clips everywhere.
I like this.
Fucking clip it and ship it because
can we
clip it and ship it because
should I keep that because part? I'm eating too many nuts. It's fucking up my throat.
Fucking clip it and ship it because ship it because ship it because
yeah, I'm tired. Are you wet?
Fucking clip it and ship it.
Is that better?
Fucking clip it and ship it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Questix, for the 22 months. Guys, I'm not clicking links in chat right now. I'm going through these first. And then if you have something to add, I can check it after. You should have submitted it to Reddit, like everybody else.
I have my wife convinced that I'm deaf because I never listen to anything she says.
That's funny, Bob. I have my wife convinced that I'm her husband.
Yeah. I've never been married, but
how's that going for you?
Not good.
No, wait.
She probably wants you to do all the work around the house.
I was going to get married once, but I couldn't because she was sick with cancer.
I see, Chip. That's not fun.
Shit. Is this real? What the fuck is this clip? I'm not gonna have this as a sub sound.
What are you industrial?
Jesus Christ. They're comedians. Wait, what is this?
You ain't a real homie if you don't kiss your homie's tips at night.
I mean, that's cool, but I want a Family Guy voice in there.
It's so beautiful. Damn, look at my fucking forehead. Fuck.
Okay, I like this one.
Damn, look at my fucking forehead. Fuck. That motherfucker on swole mode. Gotta go.
Damn! Forehead. All ruined because of the forehead. God, damn it.
shut your bitch ass up.
God, he's jacked.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Why is he talking like that? What the hell?
Damn, I messed up. We gotta go ball, fam.
Oh, shit.
Holy fuck, wrap it up.
How the fuck are you gonna think something so stupid?
Oh, fuck me in the ass.
So I had a joke about Tyler 1, but it was too short.
Pussy!
I'll be honest. Like, real for a second, sex dolls aren't that great.
What did he say? Sex wasn't that great?
Dolls aren't that great. Sex dolls aren't that great.
Oh, sex dolls aren't that great.
Sex dolls aren't that great.
Production in action. Relaxing socially. Who you gonna call? Those busters. I'm trying to
Running forcing.exe, randomizing 1 out of 10 phrases to pick.
kill myself. He won't even allow me to kill myself. Men vad i helvete?
Good job, Gaben.
Achoo! Wait, that's me. Achoo! Achoo!
Not bad, Nym. Not bad.
I have killed a lot of people. I recently banged a fat woman and didn't find the hole. I'm still gonna do it again though. Pagchon. That was me reading a message.
Alibaba.
Fuck, cunt, Satan.
Oh my god, my anus!
Okay, hold on. There was one good from Soda where he said shut up or something.
So I had a joke about...
Fuck are you gonna think something so stupid?
This one.
How the fuck are you gonna think something so stupid?
Oh, fuck me in the ass.
So I had a joke about Tyler 1, but it was too short.
And then there was one at Forsen where he said Memo Fan or something that was funny.
Production in action. Relaxing socially. Who you gonna call?
Next one.
Those busters. I'm trying to kill myself. He won't even allow me to kill myself.
Wait, where is it?
Men vad i helvete?
Fuck, I think I cut it off a bit now. Man, vad i helvete? I like that.
Men vad i helvete?
Good job, Gaben.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Not bad, Nym. Not bad.
I have that one so I can compliment myself. Achoo!
Not bad.
Could be fun.
Not bad, Nym. Not bad.
I have killed a lot of people. I recently banged a fat woman and didn't find the hole. I'm still gonna do it again though. Pagchon. We're not adding that. We're not adding that one. All right.
Can we all stop and appreciate that porn has gotten a lot better over the last 10, 20 years?
All right, Linus.
Sometimes I get a little bit angry.
That's gonna get obnoxious too fast.
Maybe it's because you're a sucker for punishment.
What?
Maybe it's because...
If it didn't glitch so much, I would have used that one. Or I don't know what you guys think. What was the story here? Why am I doing this? Oh, I was doing charades and I was trying to be a Monka Shake or whatever. No, I wasn't having a stroke. I was doing charades. I remember. Someone clip that!
Can we change from guys?
Yes! I love this. Someone clip that!
Can we change from guys?
Someone clip that! Someone clip that! Alright. Hold on. Fade out. Look. Very cool. Alright. I don't think I have to clip that, but, you know.
What do you mean, PG? You don't have more BTP? No, I don't.
What the fuck is going on in this clip? Is he getting a single word right?
What do you mean, PG? You don't have more BTP? No, I don't. I
like this and I want this, but I don't know which part to use. Because either I can use, I think the First part is better for like funny timings, but the other part sounds funnier.
Don't have more BTP Pro slot now? No.
All of it? It's kind of long.
Pepege. You mean? What you mean, Pepege?
You know what we could do? We could do 2. So I could do one of them is this.
What you mean, Pepege? You don't have more BTP.
And then I just do another one.
No, I don't.
Because they work independently, you know?
What you mean, Pepege?
Wait, do without Pepege. No, I like the emote form. Constera Pepege. All of it for a tier 2 sub. No.
You don't have more BTP Pro slot now? No, I don't.
Unlucky, dude.
You don't have more BTP Pro slot now? No.
How does it go this wrong?
You don't have more BTP Pro slot now? No.
BPP TV. I took a small 8-hour nap. How are you? Yo, Theodore, I'm just great, dude. You haven't been on an 8-hour nap. I have 6 hours uptime. What the fuck is that emote? What is that? Super cool dank. Nice. Can you put chat on screen? My Twitch is broken. All right, here's chat. Hello, Kexon. Van saying ship and clip it was short. Maybe add it with the doc one. I don't mind if some of them are very short either.
Short. He's short. Listen. Your mother call you. Your mother is call you. Listen. Right. Listen, it's your mother. It's your
No.
mother. It's your mother.
She wouldn't.
My friend, your mother call you.
No. Hands. Toxic.
Nam? What the hell's Nam?
Oh, that's a good one. Classic. Of course.
Nam? What the hell's Nam?
Nam. I like how American he says it. What the hell? Now, what in tarnation is that there, Nam?
Nam? What the hell's Nam?
Let's get this damn... Alright. What the hell is Nam?
Hi, Stinky. Can I apply for mod? No, Poot, you're a weeb. I'll ban everyone except for people who did nothing
Zoil.
wrong, and I'll time out fuckwads.
Take a part of the tense clip. I thought the audio wasn't great. There's too much CS and shit going on in the background.
I'm sorry. You're saying you're not a weeb, mate. Look at your thing. What is this?
Wait, what the hell? That's weird, dude. Discord calls and then he pulls it up. OG Melt, name of the 11 months,
trolling,
dude.
right?
Thank you so much. Welcome back. Okay, whatever.
Green! What's your fucking problem, master? What's your fucking problem, master?
It's a different one. Do we really need another one? What if we have... fuck, I'm not sure. Oh, I already said hi to you. Nym, I've gifted many subs to you. It's time for you to sub to me. I didn't even know you streamed.
I think of you when I stick my finger up my butt in the shower now.
I'd use this one if it wasn't for all of the loud-ass music.
J is for
Just to get a house. Jumpy.
What do you think, chat? Yay or nay?
There. What the is this? What's your profanity?
Right, I'm sorry.
I use this one in Radio Kappa. Most people are saying no.
Look, you're a simp. I'm gonna have to report you back to Cusco.
No! Maybe this is a good one.
Boy, there's no real easy way to say this, but,
Fine, I'll take it.
look, you're a simp. I'm gonna have to report you back to Cusco.
Alright. I am a simpy. You're a simp. I only simp for Pokey, chat. And Yabe. And Hachu. And Lena. And... yeah, okay, he's right.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.
I like this.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.
Hands up. What's that song called? That one that she was listening to. Da 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 da. Dreadful. Hands up, hands up, hands up. What's that song called? Goat Show?
Oh yeah! Oh.
Be the person.
Oh!
It's fucking cooming. Oh, that's what you wanted? I was waiting for him to say something.
Oh yes!
Doesn't even sound like Eris. Holy shit.
Yamiski!
Okay.
16 times the detail.
Uh-oh. Ah!
Ow. Hands up, auto one.
Oh!
Oh! Eris is a good streamer.
I'm almost dead.
Oh! Fuck you, bitch!
Refresh the thread. I don't know if I can refresh the thread because now there might be non-approved shit in here. I'm not sure. Clip should be fine.
Dude, I would eat the corn out of Ariana Grande's poop.
Okay, dude. Vivon Zelul. What is this one? We used that one already. Mommy clip. Alright, I'll click some in the chat. What is this?
Please pump me, daddy. Ah! Fuck off with that bullshit.
What the hell? This is a good tier 3 sound. Jesus.
There we go.
Good job, Alina. Proud of you. Whoops. Tier 3 Oso is what I'm gonna name it. Add this smile.
Don't care, wrap it up.
It's like he recorded it specifically for my fucking sub sound.
Don't care, wrap it up.
Yeah, we'll use that one. That's actually pretty good. That's gonna be epic timing, and then you can clip it and ship it to XQC so you can fart at it. Don't care. Right, it's gonna be fun.